animals, you know? I'm from the streets, I'm from the city, I'm from Portland. I grew up with animals. There were always animals in my house. Raccoons, bears, koalas, squirrels, you name it. I just wanted to go on TV and show people that you don't have to have a badge to save animals. There are all those shows where cops go out and save animals. You don't have to be a cop to save animals. My mom was on TV. She was on Animal Hoarders. You ever heard of it? Yeah, she was on there. She was the cat lady. Yeah, I never really liked cats that much. They were the only animals I didn't really want to rescue. I don't like them. I don't like their claws. Their claws freak me out. Oh, we got a hot spot. We got a hot spot. Let's roll. Let's roll. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, this is animal abuse. Look how long this dog's been out here. He could be starving. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have to cry. No, it's okay. You don't have to cry. What is this? How long has this dog been outside?
We just put him out 5 minutes ago.
No! This is animal abuse. Citizen's arrest. Get down on the ground. I'm not getting on the ground.
Hear ye, judge is now presiding.
Okay, let's see. What's our first case? Oh, no, not you again. Alright, so, Mr. Monkey. Mr. Monkey, were you aware that your associate, Mr. Dog, was taken, abducted, stolen?
I wasn't even there. It's okay, little fella. I'm gonna get you out of there. It's okay, it's okay. You don't have to cry. I'm gonna get you out of here. I'm gonna get you out of here, little buddy. It's okay. Alright, I got him. Now all we have to do is get out of here before the owners notice. Let's do this. Alright, so I rescued him. Now all that's left to do is bring... Oh, you're coming, you're coming, you're coming. Oh my gosh. I'm saving him! Yeah, I'm not really a people person. That's why I live alone. I don't keep forks in my house either. When I was growing up, we had a chihuahua that swallowed a fork. Whole fork. And 4 days later, it came right here. Hold on, we got someone.
Turn it up.